If we want to tie the mounter mule hitch, we need a carabiner and a rope. We put the rope inside the carabiner like this. Then we take this part and we create a loop, and we put the loop inside the carabiner like this. Then we have this part of the rope straight. We take the rope and we put it under the standing part like this. We create a underhand loop, and with the right side of the rope under the standing part, we put the bight inside this loop like this. Good. Then we take this bight over here, we put under the standing part and back inside this little loop here. And then we have to pull. When we pull, we have to be sure that the rope is dressed in the right way. And the knot is done. When this goes under tension, it slips like this.